Are you ready to uncover 15 incredible mysteries? Some are strange, some are surprising, and every one is real. Let's begin. Bermuda Triangle. Why do ships and aircraft seem to vanish? What the evidence shows. Storms, navigation mistakes and heavy traffic can explain many incidents. There is no conclusive evidence that the Bermuda Triangle has supernatural powers. Surprising takeaway. The real lesson: dramatic stories can grow larger than the evidence. Challenger Deep. How deep is the deepest known part of the ocean? What the evidence shows. Challenger Deep lies in the Mariana Trench and is nearly 11 kilometers deep. Its enormous pressure makes exploration extremely difficult. Surprising takeaway. That is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Living light. How do ocean animals glow in total darkness? What the evidence shows. Jellyfish, squid, and many other animals create bioluminescence through chemical reactions. The light can attract food, find mates, or confuse predators. Surprising takeaway. Living light is especially common in the deep ocean. Sailing stones. Can rocks really move across a desert by themselves? What the evidence shows. At Racetrack Playa, shallow water freezes into thin floating ice. On warmer days, light winds push the ice panels, slowly moving rocks across soft mud. Surprising takeaway. The rocks can move so slowly that people may not notice. Venus. Which planet has a day longer than its year? What the evidence shows. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Surprising takeaway. Venus also spins backward compared with most planets. Dinosaur extinction. What ended the age of non-bird dinosaurs? What the evidence shows. Strong evidence links a massive asteroid impact about 66 million years ago to global fires, darkness, and major climate disruption. Surprising takeaway. The impact crater lies beneath Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. Ocean sounds. What creates mysterious noises beneath the waves? What the evidence shows. Hydrophones record sounds from earthquakes, underwater volcanoes, shifting ice, storms, ships, and marine animals. A strange sound is not automatically an unknown creature. Surprising takeaway. The ocean has a constantly changing soundscape. Dreams. Why does the brain create dreams? What the evidence shows. Scientists still study this mystery. Evidence suggests dreaming may be connected with memory, emotion, and learning, but no single explanation answers every question. Surprising takeaway. Dreaming is real, but its full purpose remains uncertain. Green Sahara. Was the world's largest hot desert once green? What the evidence shows. Yes. During past humid periods, parts of the Sahara held lakes, grasslands, animals, and people. Changes in Earth's orbit helped shift regional rainfall. Surprising takeaway. Ancient rock art records animals that once lived there. Axolotl. Which animal can rebuild missing body parts? What the evidence shows. The axolotl can regenerate limbs and repair parts of its spinal cord, heart, and other tissues. Scientists study how its cells rebuild complex structures. Surprising takeaway. Regeneration is powerful, but the axolotl is not indestructible. Sunken settlements. How can an ancient city end up beneath the sea? What the evidence shows. Earthquakes, sinking land, rising water, and coastal change can submerge settlements. Archaeologists use careful mapping to separate real ruins from legends. Surprising takeaway. A submerged site is evidence of geology and history, not magic. Catatumbo lightning. Where do thunderstorms return again and again? What the evidence shows. Near Venezuela's Lake Maracaibo, local mountains, warm moist air and regional winds help create frequent nighttime thunderstorms and spectacular lightning. Surprising takeaway. The storms vary with seasons and weather conditions. Dark matter. How can scientists study something they cannot see? What the evidence shows. Dark matter does not emit light, but scientists infer it from gravity. Galaxies and galaxy clusters move as if extra unseen mass is present. Surprising takeaway. Its effects are measurable, but its exact nature remains unknown. Immortal jellyfish. Can a jellyfish reverse its life cycle? What the evidence shows. Turritopsis dohrnii can transform from its adult form back into an earlier polyp stage. That unusual rejuvenation inspired its nickname, the immortal jellyfish. Surprising takeaway. It can still be eaten, injured, or killed, so it is not invincible. Inside a black hole. What exists beyond a black hole's event horizon? What the evidence shows. Scientists can study a black hole's effects outside the event horizon, but information from inside cannot reach distant observers. Ideas about the interior rely on physics, not direct pictures. Surprising takeaway. What happens deep inside remains one of science's greatest questions. Which mystery surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Bright Quiz Academy for more amazing facts, quizzes, and adventures.